would outsource their IT for a couple different reasons. One, depending on size. If they're a small organization, they don't have to have the expense, the overhead for paying for an IT person, all of the payroll taxes and overboard of that. But let's say that they did have a high IT person. Well, that person may not be qualified or be able to stay up to date on all of the different things. So by outsourcing your IT company, it gives you the ability to work with an organization that should be, or an MSP, managed service provider, that should be up to date on all the new technologies, as well as staying up to date on certifications and all of what's going on in the industry from a cybersecurity perspective to infrastructure to servers and virtualization to help you grow your business and let you do what you do best and they do what they do best. The question is, what is really the big difference between a entry-level help desk person that can support the local things like a desktop and application issues versus somebody that can actually manage the infrastructure, manage the firewall, look at the networking, all of the servers, and make sure that communication is there. So based on whether you're a small business or large, we actually work with a lot of different companies from sizes, from a single person all the way up to 300 or 400 users outside of our small business managed service provider. With that, we find that we have a mix where we have companies that actually do have IT people, where we augment them, where they don't have the specialty of managing the firewalls, looking at the networking, configuring switches, monitoring those, looking at the cybersecurity or Citrix or the server infrastructure. So the IT people are more low level for like the desktop service and need that on-site flexibility to handle those really quick, or needy end users that want support right away, but may not have that skill set to support the back-end infrastructure. So a lot of organizations actually bring in an MSP or a managed service provider to actually augment that because they do have that specialties to do that. Whereas those type of caliber of resources or skill sets that you're going to look at, you're going to be paying a lot higher payroll to and taxes. So it helps with, you can get a outsourced company to do that for you for a lot cheaper than what you could actually hire that person for.